Hello guys, so what do you think about lion and the polar bear? What will be happen if there is a fight between lion and the polar bear? Surprise! Today we have brought you a very interesting content. So guys, now let us see what will be happen and who will be the winner. So before going to the video, we would like to remind you that if you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel yet, subscribe now and stay tuned with us. Here you can know comparison, difference and similarities between lion versus polar bear. So without further ado, let's go to the video. First, I will describe you both of these two separately. The lion has forever been a symbol of strength, power and ferocity. African lions are the most social of all big cats and live together in groups or prides. A pride consists of 15 lions. Male lions defend the pride's territory while females do most of the hunting. Despite this, the males eat first. The lion is a well-muscled cat with a long body, large head and short legs. An adult male's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. A female lion needs 5 kilograms of meat a day and a male needs 7 kilograms or more a day. Lions run at a speed of up to 81 kilometers per hour. Lions hunt large animals such as zebra and wild beasts. In general, fully grown male lions weigh in at around 420 pounds. They are significantly bigger than female lions, which generally weigh about 280 pounds. Male lions are also usually a little bit taller than female lions, although not usually by a lot. At the shoulder area, the males typically reach around 4 feet. Lions' tails are usually somewhere between 26 inches and 40 inches long. Males are usually a little more than 6 feet long while females are usually slightly less than 6 feet, not including tail. So guys, how would be our opponent? More than 2/3 of the world's polar bears can be found in Canada. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores. Male bears can grow up to 2.8 meters long and 800 kilograms in weight, although this is the larger end of the spectrum. On average, polar bears are still considered to be the biggest bear. Polar bears have perfectly adapted paws. Polar bears are almost purely carnivorous and survive by hunting seals. Out on the ice, a polar bear has several methods for finding and catching prey. The polar bear is keenly adapted to this habitat with a sharp nose, stealthy stalking ability, sharp teeth, a small head, a long neck and jaw. Polar bears are smart and sneaky hunters. So now let me dig into the biggest question. Can a polar bear defeat a lion? What will be happen? When taking a quick look at the above statistics, you might think the lion wouldn't stand a chance given the bear's sheer bulk and terrifying bite. However, a lion is a very courageous hunter who will take on other animals with mighty jaws such as crocodiles. Polar bears are more likely to sneak attack prey with considerably fewer defenses. The lion wouldn't therefore have an advantage in sheer aggression which, coupled with its superior speed, would allow to draw first blood. Unfortunately for the big cat, the polar bear's deep shield of blubber means that the first wound is rarely enough to kill it outright, giving it the chance to throw all of its strength into the battle. The bear's sheer size, strength and stamina would surely end in the lion being crushed and mauled to death. So the winner is polar bear. So this is only my opinion. If you have a different idea, don't forget to leave a comment. If this video is value for you, like the video and Don't forget to share with your friends. Stay safe all and see you again in next interesting video.